In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Stealth 700 and you are having trouble getting it to work with an Xbox One or any other platform, then you can perform a reset. This will make any temporary glitches go away and you will be able to easily connect it wirelessly. So to perform a reset, all that you have to do is press and hold the mode button and the Bluetooth button simultaneously for up to 30 seconds or until you see some sort of activity in the LEDs on the headset. So press and hold the mode button and the Bluetooth button. If you want to ensure that this will work, you can also press the power button, although this shouldn't be necessary. So press a combination of all of these buttons and keep holding them down. When you see some sort of LED indicator flash or change, now that means that the headset was reset. Essentially, it's as if you were using them brand new. So now you just have to plug it in using the provided USB dongle. So the primary mode should be set to Xbox if you want to use it on an Xbox One. So make sure that you change the toggle from USB to Xbox, and after this is done, you will be able to plug it into any of the available ports on your console. Then power on the headset, and it should be working flawlessly when you go into the output devices, when you go into any game, or you join any sort of voice chat. If it still doesn't work, even after you perform the reset, I highly recommend checking to see if it is sufficiently charged. Oftentimes, if you haven't used your headset in a while, or because of battery problems, a deeply discharged battery can cause these issues. So I would highly recommend letting it charge fully, even up to some hours, to ensure that it gets to 100%. And after it is fully charged, you can repeat all of the steps that I mentioned to ensure that it is properly reset. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.